Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp and on our way home.
Yeah, this is our last day of driving. And as you can see, we're not sitting inside our van. We are doing our best to get out of what's supposed to be, the biggest storm or the biggest snowfall?
Yeah, they're saying across the Midwest U.S. this is supposed to be the biggest snowfall storm of the season. And we are heading home. We winterized our van last night. And
loaded it with gas, winterized, drained everything.
Yeah. So we're ready to drive home, and we have about a 6-hour drive today, and then we should be home, depending how fast the border crossing goes. Now we've had to make a few changes. We had planned on going a little bit slower and taking our time going through. And yesterday we put in an 11-hour day.
Oh yeah, it was long.
It was a long day, and the reason being is we had to change our plans because of the snowstorm.
Okay, there we go. That's the bridge we're trying to cross over. It's old. It looks old. Continue on So after we put on the solar panels and we're working on doing the whole big Xantrex refit for our leisure van, it was a really good project, but on the last couple of days it really rained, and then we noticed lots of leaking, and I think Wade solved it. I guess being on the roof might have opened up some spaces that just hadn't been moved in how many years. This is an older van. But Wade's thinking that one of the leaks we're dealing with has come because of the screws on the awning. And so last night, as we were parked in Memphis, we got a little bit of water during a little bit of rain. So now he went up there to tighten that screw, and he went there to put some caulking on it. So I don't know, was it one screw you're doing or all of them?
Yeah, just one.
Of all places, we are sitting here at Camping World. So we'll see how much can get done here. How great is that? He went and bought the supplies he needed at Camping World, and they let him use a ladder so he could do the repair himself. And we should be out of here probably in half an hour, just depending on how long this takes Wade to repair this. And the next rainfall we'll know for sure.
Well, another one of our hold our plans loosely. Plans change pretty quickly with us, it seems, and there's just been an announcement. It is April the 2nd, and there's a huge snowstorm coming to Fargo area, North Dakota, actually most of North Dakota, and that's going to be in 2 days. So we are going to book it on home, head from Springfield, Missouri. We are again at our Bass Pro Shops. So we're going to head from Springfield, Missouri to probably Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and then to Winnipeg. We'll spend a night in Sioux Falls, winterize there quickly, and then quickly rip home just before the snow starts. That'll be Monday morning. We should be home by Monday evening, and that should bring us home in time to beat the storm. We're counting on that anyway. We'll find out what happens. So, holding our plans loosely in Springfield, Missouri.
We're at a Flying J here in Sioux Falls, I believe, or Sioux City. What are we in, Wade?
We are in Sioux Falls.
And we are winterizing. So they have a dump station here. You can see tiny snowbanks right on the side of the parking lot, which means we're heading north and we are heading into winter. So we need to winterize before we go. So we bought our container of RV antifreeze and made sure we had that on hand. Okay. And everything's been stripped and packed, ready to go back into the condo when we get home. And a few bags for when we have one night stay in a hotel. So now we're ready to fill the drains. Well, actually the holding tanks, I guess, with some solution. I've done some in the black tank already.
We're going to be very generous.
Yeah.
And let it flow through, so that it flows through into the holding tank as well too. Just in case there's some water in there, which there probably is.
Okay, so you want to do the folding sink.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever mentioned how much I don't like that folding sink, but you know, whatever, it's there. I did the toilet already. And do we need to do anything by the outside shower?
Not for a drain. I have to blow that line clean though.
Okay, so the other thing we were trying to do is blow the line clean. Wade likes to use pressure to do that. Oh, that's our mess. It's always fun unpacking. However, he can't find the tool that he always uses, the nipple end that he uses to.
Okay, this.
I don't know. That was lying on the counter.
Yeah, this
here.
is for the holding tanks. I've drained the holding tank.
Okay, the
Okay,
freshwater
so
tanks. Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay. There's no water coming out as
Okay,
you
so
pump
that's
it.
clean. There'll be some water in the line. It might be okay.
We're hoping it's okay because we usually blow air through it and make sure that it's completely. But we will have freezing temperatures as we hit Manitoba.
Yeah. How cold is our freezing temperatures?
Well, -6,
At
-8,
nighttime?
-10. By the way, it's below
Okay,
zero.
so what we should do is find a hardware store. Might have that as well too.
Okay, not on a Sunday though, and it's after
Well, not a
5.
hardware store. We could be like
Okay.
a Home Depot or something.
So we're hoping there's a Home Depot open on a Sunday evening.
Shoot. All right. Well, let's find out. We'll do some Googling.
Yeah, everything's been packed away. That's the last step, is just blowing the airlines out.
This is garbage.
Yeah, that's garbage, and we'll take, and the fridge contents will open, empty at home.
Okay, this I'm going to put in the cup holder.
Oh, this is on battery, the fridge.
Oh, is it on though? Oh yeah, we got it on.
Okay, we'll put on, I'll
But
put on gas.
We can turn it off now, actually.
Oh, we don't even need it on at all.
Not
Okay.
really. What's all in there? Just some drinks?
Drinks, egg salad, ham.
Oh, we'll use it tonight, or it'll stay colder in there, I'm thinking.
I'll just leave it off now, so we can leave it off.
Yeah, or we can leave the battery.
We're good.
We're done. What do you want to do with those dishes on the counter?
I'm gonna put them in the sink. When we get home, I'll clean them up.
Well, these other couple from Manitoba, they're staying here at the Super 8.
Oh, are they going home?
I don't know, I just see them there.
Oh. This is our last section of US Highway, and yeah, we're getting back into winter clearly. So far the roads have been dry, but now they're wet but not icy, right Wade?
Yeah.
So they're wet but not icy, and we've passed, or actually Manitoba vehicles have passed us. We're very close to the US border, and we'll see what it looks like on the other side. Waiting in line here at the Canadian-US border on the I-29 or 75 highway, depending on your perspective. And the lineup was long, longer than we had anticipated. And people are not patient.
We've been here for 45 minutes now, waiting in line.
Easily 45 minutes we've been waiting. So I'm thinking, yeah, so what we're doing is waiting to get in line, but people have tried to pull in beside. And it's one single line coming to 2 gates. It is definitely slower than we had anticipated. I feel like we should have been almost home by now, but anyway, another hour after this and then we are home.
Hi, I'm Al.
And I'm Val. And we're with Wade and Lorraine on the off-ramp.
We so appreciate it that you have joined us on our trip to Florida. It was nice getting south for the winter and many of you have watched through our whole journey. Please continue to travel with us. We love it that you subscribe, watch our videos, leave comments. It really helps grow our channel and it encourages us to keep on making this content that might help you in your travels.
We hope that our travels can help you and inspire you and get you excited about traveling, and to do it in an affordable way.
In fact, we're hoping that some of the places that we've been will tweak an idea for you to go there as well, and some of the tips that we've had for traveling.
We are planning a trip this summer where we will be heading to Nova Scotia and the East Coast.
We're visiting family on the way, we've done this trip before, but we're really looking forward to doing more boondocking and using our van's new Xantrex solar power system in a whole new way.
We have a few videos coming up where we have traveled around Manitoba, and we are definitely working on camping only off the grid. So we'll show you some results of that already in the next few videos. Now, we know plans change and we have these plans for the summer, but we also know that we need to hold our plans loosely.